Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the budgets plugin of RedmineUP. Okay, so for this purpose, I'm going to create a new project and name it Resources Activating Test. Okay, so I'm going to make this project public and then create. Okay, so currently we have some plugins already enabled, and the budgets is going to appear here into the overview page. Actually, it is overview tab here in Redmine. Okay, so currently we have only issue tracking, and that's it. Okay, so for this purpose, you have to go to the settings and now scroll down, and you will see uh, the budgets. Uh, Here it is. This is the budgets. Okay, so we save the changes. And now, firstly, the first thing that we're going to see is that here into the settings of the project, we have a new tab, and this is billing and budget. Okay, so after enabling and activating the budgets, this option into configurations is going to appear to you. Okay, so we have to do some configurations here. Um, yeah, you have to check our documentation articles for more detail about it, how to use the plugin and so on. And when you go to overview into this project, you are going to see the billing and budget. So this is it. It is now appearing here. So yeah, our budgets plugin is now activated and ready for work. This was the simple step of making it active. So we have to just go to the settings of the project, scroll down to modules, and click on budgets and save the changes. That's it. Your budgets is now ready. Uh, Thank you very much for watching this video. Of course, I suppose and hope it was helpful for you. If you like it, you could check other videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yeah, if you have some questions or problems or just want to say hi to us, then please contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again, and bye bye for now.